While most of us are accustomed to use our fingerprints to unlock our phones, can biometrics be used reliably to unlock the cars? I'm Numan Afzal, member technology Wikey. Let's explore the potential of using fingerprints to replace the conventional key fob system for accessing the car and starting its engine. What we offer is that actually will make you key to your car. Yes, you heard me right. You are the key to your car. With Wikey, a simple touch is all that is needed to access your car and start its engine. The device does not only verifies the fingerprint pattern but also the capacitance, making its security impossible to breach. The device also has Bluetooth functionality to enable it to detect the devices that it recognizes in its vicinity. The team comprises of 3 engineers: Mr. Wardabas, founder Wikey, Mr. Hamood Ahmed, member financials, and myself, member technology. Wikey aims to bring emerging smart technologies to car customers in Pakistan and beyond, enabling us to bring digital revolution in automotive industry in this region. An agile and responsive manufacturing, a well-coordinated and cooperative environment is also what Wikey stands for. The team consists of closely knit friends. We intend to grow our family, which includes us and our customers. On average, 1,70,000 cars are sold in Pakistan per year. If we consider only 1% of the market, that will be 1700 units, a handsome turnover can be generated. Currently, the device offers following features: lock and lock with mobile application via Bluetooth, AC control, RF control, proximity control, controlling multiple devices from a single unit. We are also working on some future upgrades as well. So there are many more things to come, as we have an objective of taking security, convenience, and luxury at its best. So that was all about Wikey. Let's redefine the standards and drive the car like it's meant to be. Thank you.